I taste a little grapefruit in it, which is not a... See, that's a sign of a good beer. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's wonderful. It seemed to be middle of yeah, it's... Oh, there it is. The old. It's good. It caught me a little off guard. So see that? Not much. Oh, that's... Oh, that... Oh, yeah. It's like skunky water. Good lace. I didn't have to comment on the... Wow. Oh yeah, that was a foamy burp. Did you hear it? There was still foam, like... Yeah, it's definitely... This isn't like one of those... It's really easy. It's really... Foamy is delicious. I was gonna finish it all. I savored that. Look at that. A product of... Oops. Oh. Ooh, and get them to subscribe. Oh. Look at that. That's like a... Oh, that was good. Oh, that's... And Texas. So, see, that was a double burp. We should add that to the double dump, right? Nah, we'll just... Decent lace. Yeah, standard fare. Oh, what a nice deep burp. Not chunky at all. It was just wonderful. It was smooth yet deep. These... Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that's... Oh, oh, that's. That was pretty good. I love IPA burps. They've got more bass to them. That was kind of anticlimactic. It started off good. I mean, my burp, but then it just fizzled. Damn. Woo! That was foamy. Oh, man. Stay tuned. Oh, that's a triple. That's a triple burp. I think that might be a first. Oh. Wow, that is super carbonated. That. Oh, man. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Ooh, ooh. Excuse me. Oh. Thick. It has a, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, LL. That's a triple. Was kind of had that pretty good. Ooh, that is, but two burps. Oh yeah, yeah, pale. Good. So, yeah. Oh, number 3, the Jimbo Likey. Number 4. I'm gonna be super happy. So, with that being. Oh, man. Great. Wow. I'm speaking. And it's aged. Man, this stuff. I burped me This is record burp time on this one, and it. Yeah, have a great week. Pie. You know, leave a. Good burp. Plain Jane. Yeah, we made a little bit. Woo! This is just a different beer all the way around. And man, is it carbonated. I'm gonna. Typical IPA burp. It wasn't as thick here. This one. Oh, it's just lovely everything. Lovely burp. Just not too much.